Yo, what's going on YouTube? I'm back with another video. In this video I having the Hyundai Palisade here. I will teach you how to remove the side mirror and also door trim and door handle. Three things in one video. So as you see, this is the brand new Hyundai Palisade. We need to do the full wrap. For that one, I need to take off the handle and mirror. For the mirror, I also need to take the door trim off or door card off. Actually, I having the video in 3 years ago for those but it was very bad quality. So I decided to redo it again. Let's get into the video. This is the door trim. For removing the door trim, only having the one bolt, it's inside the armrest, and it's having the one rubber cover. Need to take this one. Only one screw there, and why is not going in? And then all the panel sticking with the push pin. So the things you need to do with something like this, try to find some gap for it. And then at the end, slide it like this. Okay, come here. Most of the Korean car install the interior handle like this. You have to push this pin and then it's coming off. And other harness. So this one. This is the top. Okay. So this is how you can remove the door trim. Let's go for the mirror. For the mirror, if you come in here, it has the one cup. Sometimes very hard. Okay. That plastic cup sticking like this. If you see here, having 3 bolt 10mm socket plus one very thin small screw. I recommend that always open this one first. Let me show it here well. I need the small one. It's coming like this plastic with the screw pushing the body and hold it. Okay, and then now we need to remove that 310mm black color. Okay. Before the last one, disconnect the harness. honest. Okay, it's fully free. Now grab the mirror. And then now the mirror would come out. Okay, that is how you can remove the mirror. So let's move to the door handle. Okay, all Korean car gonna be same. Here having the one plastic cover, and then if you see the one bolt here, 10 millimeter, or also you can do it, use the drill or screwdriver. Okay, one tip, this is the brand new, no matter. But sometimes when the Korean car get old, if you keep screw, this one is not coming off. With the something like this, put it at the edge of the bolt and then open it. So it's gonna come out very easy. And then don't worry about falling off, because having the 4 plastic tab, it's holding the bolt. After that, grab the handle like this. First you need to remove this plastic cover. Okay. This one. And then same way, you have to first put this one and then put the handle in, hold it, and then screw it and grab like this, slide it to the left, it's coming off. For putting back this one in, again, same way, put it like this, and that good things about the Palisade, if you see this connector having the lock here, you can lock it here and then not worried about going back in. This mechanism for work for the most of the Korean car. And that's all. If you like my video, please push the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification. You're not gonna miss my future video. Actually, I having the plan to make the 2 more video of this car, because I know many people looking for the Hyundai or Kia or something like that. I will make it. See you guys very soon. Bye bye.